Here we will see how you can create an online store using WooCommerce. As online business is growing fast, online e-commerce has become an important area to consider. We are going ahead with the normal procedure of installing a WordPress installation, and inside WordPress we will go ahead with the WooCommerce to provide you a guideline how you can create your own store to sell product, or you can create a small store for your customer so they can sell the product. Even for running small e-commerce based campaigns, you can create small stores, upload product and run A/B testing for different products. WooCommerce provides you with all the ranges of services that you need to run an e-commerce site, starting from providing product upload to payment gateway integration. You get all the options. So first go to the plugins area and install WooCommerce. This is one of the biggest e-commerce plugin, most widely used and well managed by WooCommerce team. Now once you install the plugin, there is a step provided to you for its configuration. Select the country, the address, the currency, then you can select the product you are delivering, whether it's a digital or not, and then proceed with the payment gateway selection. What are the payment option you are providing? Once you continue with your payment option, you must keep a track of all the payment gateway. While configuring the payment gateway, you must check with what payment gateway you might be using. Here you can provide the shipping cost. I have provided the shipping is free, but you can provide the shipping cost. Then a default storefront theme and MailChimp integration for email marketing is selected and proceeded. After that, it will provide you with the option to integrate with Jetpack. That way it stays connected with many other options as well. Jetpack is a plugin that comes from WordPress.com and brings many advanced features for WordPress based website. Your WordPress must be pre-logged in to connect the Jetpack with your WordPress.com account in the same browser. Now once the configuration is complete, you can either import some product or create a product, but we are going to the dashboard. Here you get the option to pull some demo data for the storefront design that we just installed while completing the WooCommerce configuration. Even if you missed installing storefront design, if you go to the themes area, there you can find it. Now you are provided with a guided steps to complete the installation. First, let's add the logo. The logo or site identity is the most important feature. So provide the logo of your business. Here we are taking a demo logo to provide an idea how it will look if you add a logo in your website with the default storefront design. For different designs, this option may be different and the design will also look different. Let's take this demo logo and go ahead with its integration with the design. Here you can see the logo's background is transparent. You should always keep the logo's background transparent, so no clash of background color with your logo's background color happen and it doesn't look bad. We will show you how to remove the background from images in our image design affinity section. Now let's move ahead with the other configurations. These are all guided configurations, so it becomes very easy for you to complete the steps. Which menus you need, you can provide, you can select them and provide a menu name to continue with. Now once you are ready to provide which areas will have menu and created a menu name, add different URLs that come from different page or different sections of your site to give the menu a complete look. After saving the menu, you will get the option to set that for different areas. These options can always be edited later, so when you work on your website and think to change menu, you can come back to this area and change or add any other URL manually as well. Here you see 3 areas are available for this theme to provide different menus. So if you keep 3 menus for different areas, you will be able to provide your customer different clickable options at one go from all the pages of the website. Here we will keep just a simple menu, and for other we will not provide anything. But for mobile view, we are keeping one same menu, otherwise it will not come. Now while configuring, you will be taken through many other options like widgets and different options like typography to change the different color of different area. You can either change the color or you can keep the default color according to your own requirement. After completing that, you need to publish it, and let's see how it looks after publishing. It's a complete and nice e-commerce store where you can easily upload different product, provide coupons and provide prices. How you can manage the e-commerce store you have just built. So let's see what are the steps we need to follow. So this is the shop where you can see that all the uploaded products are there. This is WooCommerce configuration section. Here you can see all the orders. Currently orders are not there. If you go to the WooCommerce documentation area, you can see how it would look if you have few orders. Then individual areas would look like this. For columns, you can keep it restricted, how many columns to show. You can study that documentation in detail to gain more understanding of WooCommerce. Then let's create our first coupon. We'll rename this coupon to our coupon name, but to give you an understanding, we just give it a first coupon name. Give a coupon description for what you have created this coupon. Then either percentage discount or fixed cart discount, you can select from the available options whatever amount of discount and in which way you are providing. Provide the coupon amount. For shipping, you can either select for a free shipping or you can charge on every shipment. It also depends on the selection you have done while installing WooCommerce at the beginning. After that, usage restriction is very important for every coupon so they don't get misused. You can restrict the maximum and minimum number of spending for a user for a coupon. If you provide a percentage discount and don't want a user to exceed a particular amount, then the maximum spending allows you to restrict the user up to that particular amount. Otherwise, the entire amount of purchase customer is doing, for entire amount this percentage discount will apply. Here we are adding few product categories or product name for which we are providing the particular coupon. Now we are excluding certain products where we are not providing the coupon. We can add few product categories and for the discount and remove few categories or add few categories for exclusion of the discount. For everything, keep on updating your coupon, otherwise you will lose all the configuration. Now how many maximum coupon usage is possible, that you can define over here. Now limits per user is configured. These are important to keep your coupon safe. And suppose we are creating this coupon for New Year, so you can name it as a New Year coupon. As you can see in many websites, you can find summer coupon, New Year coupon and different type of other different coupons. Moving ahead with other reporting features, you can see this is the reporting feature. These reports will automatically generate to help you how your website is performing for a monthly basis or for a 7 days basis. Inside settings, you will find many other areas to configure. Inside status, you'll see what are the home URL, site URL and many other configurations. Then inside extensions, you will see what are the extra plugins you can add inside your website. Like Google Analytics plugin is free and you can add it without any extra cost, but many other plugins are there which require you to buy them or subscribe them. Now here you can download it and install it. This will provide you an option to connect with the Google Analytics and understand how much traffic is coming to your website, from which country and different areas you are getting people to buy different products, and in which sections of your website traffic is going more, which products are fetching more traffic. In that way you can understand what type of marketing you have done and what type of result you are getting. This will help you to explain to your customer how much they are gaining from the investment. So these are the products. Let's edit one product to see how you can add one product or how you can create a new product. This is a new product we are creating. You can allocate any category. This is the default file image. This is the default product image that will come when you share the product in different social sites or different other places. But the product image that you see above that will provide you the image that comes inside your store. Here we can provide more information on a product, like the regular price and the price on offer for sale. Along with that, whether the product is a digital or a non-digital product, inventory, how many products are there in stock, and if you are highlighting the products or segmenting the products with any code, that SKU code. With that, in the shopping option, we can provide other details. Whatever the required details you need, you can check from an existing uploaded product and accordingly provide the details to a new product. In that way, you will not be making any mistake in uploading a product. And once you upload a product correctly, after that you will not have any problem. E-commerce stores also comes with the SEO option of individual product, and you can use a Yoast SEO plugin with these products to optimize them in search engine. Now here in the store you can see this new product is listed, but the product is not coming with any image. If this type of a problem comes, check with the pre-uploaded default products. Here you can see a product image is given and we have not given that in our uploaded product. So let's provide the product image and then update it. We will cover the optimization of WordPress website, e-commerce website and Yoast plugin in detail in our coming lessons. Here you can see the cap image is updated and all the details of a product is given correctly. In this way you can upload a product and create a WooCommerce based e-commerce store. Let's see how we can use blog post, categories, tag, page and menu inside WordPress. WordPress depends on post to provide blogs, categories, segment them in different sections, and tags provides an opportunity to optimize these posts in search engine and in different other places. Pages can be of two types. One is a parent page, one is a child page. Parent and child pages can define our design, page layout and website structure. Menu is very important because it defines what an user see when he lands in the website on any page. Starting with blog post, we will first see category, tag and how we can add new post. As you can see, there are different categories made over here. This is a digital marketing category and under that a blog post is coming. It is coming under digital marketing SEO tools. So what we will see is how we can create a category. Our category name here is Udemy Digital Marketing. This is the way we can create a category. The category is added. Let's see how it looks. This is the category. We will now go to our posts and allocate one post SEO tools to this category or connect the post to this category. Here you can see the new category has come. Add it and update. So you can see now it is added. Let's refresh the new category and we can see the post has come. This is how we can differentiate different posts under different categories, and this category is visible over here. Likewise, you can create tags that help us optimize our posts. Here also let's create one tag in the same name. Now once we open a tag, it comes under tag heading. Nothing is found over here. So what we will do, we will go to the post and add a tag over here. Now the tag is added, so we can find the post under the tag. Here the tag is highlighting the same post we have attached with this one. Now this is the way you can create tag, category and connect the post with them. But there is a fundamental understanding that you need to know, that is, when you create a website there need to be one blog, and to create a blog you should create a blog category in this way. This provides us a blog URL that looks like this. Here we will need to remove the category name from the URL, this one. Once you remove this one, it will look like this. So the blog category will also look like this, giving you a blog URL. Unless you are creating a blog URL using a page, then you need to create a page named blog, which will also give you a blog URL. But here you need to connect the blog dynamically with the page. Let's see how we have done it over here. In the category section, we don't see any blog category. This means we have created a blog page. This is the blog page we have created. When you open this, it opens as a blog section. Let's see how we have configured it. For normal blog categories, you don't need any configuration. They will automatically pull all the posts connected with the blog category. Like the other categories are pulling all the posts. But here you will need to configure it to pull all the posts. As you can see, different type of configurations over here done. So blog posts come under this page. Now I will suggest you to create a blog category because that's an easier one to do. But if you want to custom design your blog page like we have done over here with this banner and this customized way of showing different videos as well, in that case you have to build a blog page and customize the look of your blog page. This is the difference of page and category in a way. Other than that, once you have all the ideas of blog post, categories and tags, we can move on to the page section. Page provides you a parent page and child page option. Let's create one page so we can see how the page looks like. Once you go to the page, you have an option to either be a child page of any other page, like suppose this parent page has many child pages, you can be like that, or you can be yourself a parent page, like this page is a parent page and these are all child pages under this academy page. So you can either be a parent page or child page. In both the pages you can create a custom design and they can be your home page, product page, service page or any other page. When we visit the home page of the site, whatever content we see and move on to edit the page, we will be taken to a custom designed page that is named as home. So let's open the page, home page, inside the page section to understand what is being done with the pages to create a custom home page. This is the home page. As you can see, it's a simple page but defined to be the default first page of the website. This you can do from the settings option. In the settings you will get a reading. There you can select the static page, then name or then select the page you want to, then you can select the page which would be the home page of the website or the first page of the website, and you can also select the page which you want as the blog page or post pages. In that way also you can define the page which you want as your default section for blog. Now once we have the idea, post, category, tags, pages, we will create a new page. So this is the page section. Let's create a new page, name it test. It's a parent page, publish it. And this is the parent page. Now we will create one more child page. Here we will select the test page as parent and create a test child. You can see the URL has come under test. So in categories you can bring the post under category URL. In this way the post is under the category URL. In this way the post URL is under the category URL, and in pages also you can bring the child page URL under the parent page URL. So this is the basic mode of operation. I am not currently giving you the disclosure of other things that you see over here. Other things we will discuss in the coming sections, like the search engine optimization of WordPress and many other things. Let's move on to the menu. Menu is a very vital section. This is our menu. Whichever page you might navigate to, you will find the menu. It is kept as a default navigation bar for users to navigate to different page or post of a website easily, which the web admin believe very important and need a easy navigation. Inside menu you can see already we have created one menu. The same menu you can see over here. But to create one more new menu, you have to click on create a new menu. With this option you can name it, create the menu. Under that you can add any page from your currently available pages. As you can see, all the pages can be added, but posts cannot be added from this way. Here we have added the pages, but when you want to add the post, you can get the post from this blog post section. Now if you want to add any custom link, suppose you have some other website or you want to connect any custom page like a tag you want to collect. I want to connect this tag. There are no option to get the tags. As you can see, page, blog post, blog categories, portfolio categories, WooCommerce endpoints, these are coming. Tags are not coming. So when you want to connect a tag, you have to select the tag URL, paste it over here and write the tag link text that will come as the highlighting name. Now we have created our menu and click on save, so you can save the menu. After saving it, go to the manage locations. Inside manage locations you will get, according to the themes dependability, top primary menu, AMP menu, AMP footer menu. It might not be even AMP, it's just top primary menu and footer menu, or maybe only top primary menu, but top primary menu will always be there. So here you can select my new menu or any other menu. The moment you select and save the changes, the menu comes. This is the way we create post, category, tag, page and menu. I will provide you a easy navigation among all these sections and inside the sections as well, so you can easily remember and understand what we have done. If you even review the class, if you are not understanding at the first time, that will be helpful to create a page, a post, a category, a tag or a menu. Always remember, we should have a default blog category for our blog section or a page which is called a blog page and connected to have all the blogs under that page for our blog section inside WordPress. And for menu, once you create and save the menu, you must go to the manage locations and then here you will get the option to provide the location of the menu.